Hi, I'm Skirt. Yeah, you're right. We haven't talked in forever.
Yeah, it's kind of,
I guess it's different.
yeah, there you go.
I can't figure out the word.
We used to talk, I think, a lot. And without wrecking the whole college.
I kind of don't even remember you. I'm sorry, like, I know it sounds silly, but was he in your grade or mine?
I think he was in my grade. He had a brother in your grade. Edwin.
Oh, now I remember.
Yeah. They look really alike.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Now I remember. How are you?
Yeah.
We need to catch up.
Yeah. It was kind of weird that prank calls we got from you guys.
Yeah, me too. Oh, okay. Because literally when you said Mario, I thought you were talking about this kid at my
From
school.
our school.
Yeah, I didn't know that was you. But yeah, we definitely need to catch up again. We need to hang out again.
Yeah.
That sounds like a plan.
We should get a whole bunch of old people from Cold Tom and just get like together and have parties.
Have an elementary school party.
It'll be a little weird, but it will. Because I'm sure you guys all pretty much grew up together, and we're kind of like the different ones.
Yes, definitely.
But it was cool talking to you, and I hope you liked our video. Oh, thank you for liking that video. So we'll talk to you soon. Bye.